Hello and welcome to the Pemaquid Reserves Planner. People find themselves here because they're involved in property management, engineering studies, and/or a homeowners association, also known as HOA, specifically focused on reserves planning. Looking at the web page, please note the structure. Across the top are the areas where the information and data about your organization is easily located. This is where you will begin your work and set your baseline. Note the topics of organization, financial dashboard, accelerators, reports, and training. A summary of these key areas. Organization is about the name of the organization where you live and the number of units. Some people refer to this as the number of doors. Reserve items is a list of 42 potential reserve items you may have: windows, chimneys, garage doors, etc. Your brief review of the enabled items sets the beginning of your baseline. If others are needed, up to 50 user-defined reserve items could be added. Take note to see the system tracks each new item added and the number of items available for future use. Financial planning is about costs, investments, and inflation. Once a baseline is established, there are two different incremental options of what-if scenarios, and each one is compared to your baseline. The simulation is the first option and provides an immediate calculation. The second option, the alternate plan, is more comprehensive and needs the refresh calculation button pushed, and in a few seconds completes the alternate plan. Reports and graphs consist of a library of ready-to-use reports and graphs that are automatically created based on your decisions. Let's quickly take a look. Notice the available report structure provides the same 4 reports for the 3 different reserve calculation models. Number 1, Plan, provides cash flow timeline and supporting data. Number 2, Annual Report, summary forecasted expenses by report category used for annual reporting. Hover over a large number being viewed. Online viewing. First, viewing an annual report, the user can hover the mouse over a large number and see the enabled items that are driving the number. Number 3, percent funded. This reflects the NRSS, National Reserve Study Standards, and APRA, Association of Professional Reserve Analysts, calculation, and provides further understanding of the impact of your decision-making. This will also help answer questions other organizations or agencies may require. Number 4, Hover Reports. This enables you to pick a year in the budget and see what is needed in the year before, the requested year, and the year after. If you would like this report, hit the Hover Report. A screen will come up and you must 1. Select the reserve model, 2. Select the target year, 3. Generate button. Accelerators. There are 6 recommended tools and techniques to support completing your baseline work if you do the work or want to better understand the type of work needed. Training. There are 3 YouTube videos with desktop recordings and voice assistance that mimics the user training you received. These refresher training videos are available 7/24/365. Now, let us look at the reserves page actions available to you. Add a custom reserve item. We have reviewed this previously. Add a custom reports category. There are 5 standard reports categories. When you are finished with your baseline, if you'd like to create a 6th category, this is where it is done. Glossary of terms. To understand the application for items like report grouping, etc. Inflation projected costs. To view each item every year, it is forecasted reserve amount. Download as a PDF. All reports throughout the Pemaquid Reserves Planner like this. Please note the links to decision support sites on the bottom of all web pages. Community Associations Institute, a national organization. Pemaquid Reserves is a member of this organization at the business partner level. Kane is an example of a local chapter. Fannie Mae and Internachi, decision support sites for estimated useful life calculations. FAQ sheet that provides answers to frequently asked questions. Contact us for any more questions. Thank you for taking the time to listen and learn more about the ability of Pemaquid Reserves Planner to meet your needs 7/24/365. Plan, prepare, and succeed with a Pemaquid Reserves Planner.